All right, good morning, everyone. My name is Jordan, and today I'm going to be going over how to trade an option contract here on Thinkorswim. The underline I'm going to be looking at today is Costco. And before I get into it, I want to kind of give some reasonings why I chose Costco. So if you look here, I put up a couple indicators, the RSI right here, which is in a fairly neutral territory. It's not overbought, oversold. The MACD right here looks like they had a little bit of a bullish crossover here, so it's a good indicator for an upturn. And if you look right here too on the chart, the price line is approaching the 50-day moving average. Looks like it's about to cross it soon, so that's a pretty good sign as well. But one of the bigger things I want to point out is earnings. So right here is whenever it or excuse me, right here is where they report earnings. And historically, earnings have jumped up. I mean, assuming it beats earnings, historically, earnings have jumped up. So every time they report earnings, it jumps up right here. So I'm essentially speculating on the next earnings call, which is going to be, if you look right here, Costco's next earnings call is December 11th. That's their quarter one 2026. And yeah, basically, I'm speculating that it will beat earnings again. And if it does beat earnings, it should jump up. So with that being said, I'm going to be going on to the trade tab right here and under the option chain. These are all the expiration dates of these options. I'm actually choosing one for next week because they report earnings on Thursday, December 11th, and then it'll expire on the 12th. So like I said, I'm speculating that Costco would jump up in price from that earnings call, and I will quickly take my gains. So I'm going to be going right here under the ask because you buy at the ask. I'm going to press buy. And then right here is going to be the order. I'm going to just do one contract because they're pretty expensive. Um, and yeah, I don't, it's 100 shares per contract. So it's kind of a lot if I do more than one. I'm going to hit confirm and send. And then it shows the option prices here, this stats here. So your max profit for any call option is going to be infinite, right? Your loss is going to be just your premium you paid. So for in this case, my premium is going to be $2,300 roughly, 2,345. My break even's gonna actually be at this when the stock price is 935. So that's gonna be basically the stats right here. And all I'm gonna do from now is going to hit send. And then if I go here to my positions, go right here to working orders. It is currently in work right now, so I'm just waiting for it to be filled. Um, There we go. Hear that noise right there? There we go. Costco filled by one. There we go. There's my contract. So if I looked at my filled orders now, I have a single contract, the call option right to buy, strike price 912, and it's a call option. So that's basically it right here. But again, thank you for listening. And like I said, those are just my reasons. Again, I'm speculating. This is a very risky move when trading derivatives. But that's just my reasoning for why I'm speculating on Costco's upswing. So thank you so much for listening.